In today's video, I'll show you how to create an event in Calendly. An event type is basically a kind of meeting you offer, with its own length, its own link, and its own rules. And once you've got one set up, people can just book it themselves. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. Right now, I've only got the one event type that Calendly gave me when I signed up. Let's make a new one. I'll click Create up in the top corner. And straight away, Calendly asks what kind of meeting this is. One-on-one is just you and one other person, so that's your coffee chats, your sales calls, your interviews. Group is one of you and lots of them, which is what you'd use for a webinar or a class, and round robin shares the bookings out across a team. I'll go with one-on-one, since that covers most of what people need. And here's my new event, ready to set up. Notice Calendly's already given it some sensible defaults, 30 minutes long, and my normal working hours. First, a small but handy thing. See that colored dot sitting next to the name? Click it. There's your palette. Once you've got a handful of event types, giving each one its own color makes them far easier to tell apart at a glance. I'm happy with violet, so I'll leave mine exactly as it is. Now for the name, and this is the bit that actually matters, because whatever you type here is what your invitee sees on the booking page. So make it obvious. I'm going to call mine Discovery Call. Now have a quick look down the rest of this panel while we're here. Duration is how long the meeting runs, and 30 minutes is just the default. Location is where it actually happens. And availability is pulling in my working hours automatically. Everything else I'll leave exactly as it is, because you can come back and change any of this later. Nothing here is permanent. So let's create it. I'll hit Create down at the bottom. And there it is, sitting in my list next to the other one, with its own booking link, ready to send out. So that's it. Hit Create, pick your meeting type, give it a clear name, and hit Create again. Happy scheduling! And I'll see you in the next video.